too late. Got Francais on my brain. That's what makes me say. That's what makes me say. I go on too many trips, but I can't pick a place. That's just what they say. That's what makes me say. But I keep cruising to the French Caribbean. It's like I got this language as a skill, and it's gonna get me jobs. 'Cause employers gonna pay, 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 pay. And the haters gonna hate, 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 hate. I'm just gonna take, 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 take. French class, French class. French speakers will appreciate you. And others gonna fake, 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 fake. I'm just gonna take, 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 take. French class, French class.
Hey, hey, hey! You might think French is just okay, but it is the second most spoken language in the world. When you were in class, you could take it down to this Chouette beat.
French is used in the Olympics. I'm like, oh my god, so I'm just gonna speak it.
To the fella over there with a nice beret, won't you come on over, Frenchie? We can talk, talk, talk.
Pay, 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 pay. And the haters gonna hate, 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 hate. I'm just gonna take, 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 take. French class, French class. French speakers will appreciate you. And others gonna fake, 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 fake. I'm just gonna take, 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 take. French class, French class. French class, French class. Take French, take French. Croissants, croissants. Madeleine, Madeleine. Macaron, macaron. Petit prawns, petit prawns. Napoleon, Napoleon. Notre Dame, Notre Dame. Tour Eiffel, Tour Eiffel. Quebec, Montreal. Guadeloupe, Martinique. Algerie, Louisiane.
You should learn a second language, in particular French. I chose French because it's spoken on 6 out of 7 continents on Earth. French has established itself as the second international language of the world. It's one of the 6 official languages of the UN, and next to English, it's always used in the Olympics. For English speakers, French is the easiest language to learn.